This is Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store. Input the Opera query at the search bar. Once the needed app is found, you can either initiate its installation directly from the search results or open its app page and install it from there. Once the app is ready, you gotta obviously go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you perform a very simple setup. So firstly, tap at the continue button, then decide if you would like to enable notifications for Opera, or perhaps set it as your default browser app right off the bat. And finally, at this page, you can either customize the data collection preferences, or simply allow everything that it asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.